I know. Alright, so there might be a bat flying around in here soon. There's one flying outside of Jerry. That's a thunder suit, buddy. Let him out! Let him out! Alright, kids. Good morning. Good morning. Alright, everybody needs to go outside so I can get the door shut because there's bats flying around out there. It's the way it is in the jungle. You never know what's going to go on here. I don't know what kind of wild animals are going to come swooping down. Guys, get out. Come on, boys. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Who else? Joshua? He might be outside. Okay, so good morning, everybody. We still have Jerry in his thunder blanket because it's been like raining and thundering all night and stuff. Thunder shirt. So, probably take it off here pretty soon. But, we shall see. Alright, let's take off Jerry. Let's take his cape off.
Did he take it off? Looks like it's still there.
Alright, back to Bark Kent.
Yeah, come on. There's a little.
He's like free man.
Can I get it? Thank you.
Wow, Jerry's like, yeah! I'm out of my thunder blanket. Thunder
nice,
shirt.
Nice and warm though.
I bet it is. Jerry, did I take care of you last night? You good? I don't know. Josh, out. Try it. Well, goodbye, everybody. Much love to everybody. Have a very good day. Much love from our farm down here.